Hello lovely souls and welcome back to my channel, and now we are going to be doing a reading for Leo for the first week of December, and let's see what's going to come for you guys in the matters of love. What can we expect in the first week of December if you are Leo? Okay, so let's see. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel, and let's see what's coming in for Leo. Okay, so I see the Tower. Don't get scared, guys, with the Tower card. There must be... This could be that you have been in Tower moments with your person because you had passion for them, and they were stuck in their mind somewhere. I get this in the past. This is going in the past, guys. This is not your current situation, but I see you being more calm and peaceful and nourishing your body and soul more now. I see you asking for guidance from the divine that what you should be doing. Okay, and you are getting a lot of options, guys. So just a second. You are getting a lot of options, guys, in the matter of love. You might be seeing other guys or friends, and many people approaching you for love, and maybe you might be feeling like like a page of wands, because you have already gone through this and you don't want to go through it again. You're trying to you're not able to choose if there are other people around. So this is the biggest problem. I need to take out more cards for you guys. Again, I see the 9 of wands coming over here. You want this current person, you want a new beginning with them, and you are holding on to them. Guys, this thing will end. Okay, again we have the page of pentacles coming in the bottom of the deck. Yes, you will get the offer, but it will not be an offer in the month of December that you were looking for, that romantic option, that you wanted, that romantic offer, that offer of love, that offer of marriage. It is an offer of reconciliation because it's a page over here, but it might give you some stability and some clarity in the month of first week of December. I can see ending to this a new beginning coming in the later weeks, that we will check out what's happening. But the best thing that is coming in for you is if you are asking for a lot of help from the universe and you are not getting signs, you are going to get more signs in the first week of December. You're going to get many options and you will be choosing one and going for a new beginning. But I see you holding your cards much like towards your chest. I don't see you opening up or doing much, but I see a karmic cycle ending for you in the matters of love. If you were stuck in repetitive cycles of love, same patterns following with different people, so that is going to change, and maybe you might get a small offer of reconciliation. Let's go on, guys, and let's see what messages we have from your person if you want to stick on to that same person. So I'm going to use these cards and let's see 3 messages from your person for Leo. Okay, I can't ignore the signs I'm receiving any longer. So this is the message of your person. I feel safer in silence. So this is another message from your person. And the grass wasn't greener on the other side. So if they left you for someone else, or if they did any such things, they chose the karmic over you. So this is the thing that they are saying, that they can't ignore the signs because the grass wasn't greener on the other side. They did not like what was happening over there. So far now they want to be in silence. So guys, let's see more charms or something, what comes up in the charms for you for Leo. Okay, let's see what charms come up for you. Okay, so I see US. Your person might be in the US or might be wanting to go there. They want to travel abroad. They want to travel to another country and stay somewhere else. That is another thing. Again, I see cage, you know, they are still caged in their mind, you know, they are still stuck. That 8 of Swords energy, they haven't come out of it yet. They are still stuck on something. They prefer wearing glasses, or they do wear, or they like sunglasses or something like that, you know. They might have a collection of it. The alphabets that I get over here for extra signs is JVLK. Okay, so these are your extra sign if you all are a Leo. I hope you like the video, guys. See you again. Till then, bye bye.